Demand for heating, cooling, and refrigeration technicians is at an all-time high both in central Missouri and across the country. In fact, there are twice as many job openings in this industry as there are in many others. This fast-paced, challenging work provides high-paying opportunities. Training in heating, cooling, and refrigeration technology at Nichols Career Center can lead to work immediately after high school or to advanced training at area technical colleges. It all starts here.
Hello, I'm Rodney Bearhorse, and I am the instructor of HVAC here at Nichols Career Center. In this class, we learn about different heat sources as far as gas furnaces, electric furnaces, heat pumps. We learn about ventilation, creating ductwork, cutting metal, putting metal together. The air conditioning part will be any residential air conditioners that might be in your home, or even refrigeration as far as freezers or refrigerators. We are at a critical need right now for people to get into the trades, and so when this job became available, I thought it would be a great time for me to step up and try to get more people interested in joining the HVAC field or even plumbing or wiring. In this class, we do a lot of sheet metal work. We do a lot of wiring work, which is included with your residential wiring or your control wiring, low voltage wiring. We work with transformers, contactors, relays. We also do some light plumbing in here. We do a lot of brazing and soldering and pipe fitting. So if a person would come here and graduate, by the time you leave here, my main goal is for you to be able to get out in the field and safely and successfully be able to work in the HVAC industry, or you could be an electrician, a plumber. I will also have you leave with a certification in refrigeration where you can buy and sell refrigerants. It'll be your RSCS refrigeration certification, and we also try to push for a OSHA certification.
Many of the students enjoy the hands-on learning environment of our classroom. This allows them to make mistakes and learn from them. They also enjoy the many real-world experiences they have. Everything they learn can be used in their future jobs. They also participate in activities such as installing both the ductwork and the unit itself in a house. Students also enjoy working at their own pace, which allows them to get everything out of the material.
Most of my students, and even myself, we learn best by hands-on and visual things. So in this class, we spend about 10% of the time in the classroom, and we'll be doing some book work and going over different activities and preparing for the lab work. But 90% of the time, we will be out in the lab, out in the shop, building things, troubleshooting things, fixing things. Previously, I did have my own business for 20 years, which having my own business was actually my dream job whenever I was in high school, and it was a great job to have. Financially, it was great, and I met a lot of people, but now that I have a teaching career, this career is more gratifying than owning my own business because it is so great to help educate younger people.
HVAC opens up many job opportunities. Students can go into electrical, plumbing, and HVACR fields. These fields have many subdivisions in them as well. Even if you do not want to go into these fields, the training can be used for many other careers or just for personal use. It doesn't matter who you are. If you're even considering taking the course, do it. Even if you end up doing something completely different in your career, the knowledge and experience are still valuable.
Thanks for joining us on the virtual tour. If you want more information about this or any other program at Nichols, please email the addresses on the screen.